Okay guys, I want to give a tour of our Paris hotel room, and it's so beautiful. And it literally, the building and the architecture, this is me, I'm literally in pajamas. The building and the architecture is literally stunning. So this is outside here, and we actually have an Eiffel Tower view, which is so beautiful. Lots of natural light in this room, which I really like. It feels like you're in like an apartment, and it's beautiful. I'm literally so excited. And then this is the bed. Right in here we have a bathroom, and the bathroom is literally so chic. And this is the sink. Very Parisian style. I love it. Has a hair dryer. This is, I don't know what this is, honestly. Let me see. The bathroom has a little mirror, or the bathroom has a little window and you can open it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. This is the outside. You guys, they have a welcome champagne for us, which, you know, my mom and I do not drink, but very, very sweet of them. And this looks like it would be yummy if we were to drink champagne. Setting everything up so that I can get ready for a day in Paris. Well, actually it's evening, but I still want to make the most of the evening and go to dinner. I'm getting ready in Paris. Literally does not feel real. I love my hotel, and I just am really hungry and low energy. My bathroom in this hotel is literally beautiful. Like, it's very classic, and this hotel building it's been around for a while. There's also a beautiful view outside. As I get ready, it literally feels amazing. So I'm just getting ready. I'm doing my usual routine. My skin feels a little congested and like dry, but doing the Armani foundation. I've never been to Paris. This is actually my first time, and I just am really excited. On the drive here, we actually took the train here. So we took the train because basically when we went to book a flight, they were all booked up, but like I really wanted to try the TGV because I've never gone like on a high-speed train, and that's a cool thing to experience. We don't have that in the United States, so I think it's very different here because it's such a big, like, busy city. And then coming from a place like south of France or even like California, it's very different, but it's fun and I'm excited. I want to go get a bite to eat. I'm literally so hungry. I had like kind of a long travel day because you're on the train for a while, you have to get to the station, but we also got off at this really beautiful train station in Paris. I think it was called Gare de Lyon. The weather here is a little chilly, but nothing crazy, and feels really nice. I am wearing these, I'll show you, come close. This little light blue tank and a ponytail. I never ever do a ponytail. I kind of hate it, but I want my hair out of my face. I'm like crabby and hungry, and I want my hair out of my face, so I just did a little ponytail. And then sometimes I like it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you think I look terrible with a ponytail, feel free to comment and I will never do it again. But this is my, and I also feel like it kind of tugs at your hair, but this one is actually kind of not tugging. I'm just wearing Levi's with a tank and then Sambas, and I'm gonna bring like a Fendi baguette and probably like a jacket. Very chill, and I think it's very beautiful outside. I just really want to go out. Very basic OOTD. I'm just walking around Paris and it's a little cold. This is the hotel. Look at the hotel elevator. It's so pretty and beautiful. I love how this building is like historic. I think it's really beautiful. It feels like you're living in this beautiful piece of history. Is the drink I ordered. We're at a cute little restaurant. It's a mango cocoa something, mango cocoa loco. I don't know. It's a mocktail though. I'm a big fan of mocktails. My plate, my mom. Some bread. Very yummy. Guys, I got a creme brulee. The guy, we were like, should we get one or two? And he was about to make us get two, but this is literally the size of my face. Hello guys. Here we go. We have a big French pharmacy haul. Okay, starting off, you guys, if you've been watching me, you know I am all about natural nails, natural manicures. So on that note, we got some, this is one of my favorite brands. It's a Swiss brand, and we got some nail hardeners, nail keratin treatment. So backstory, years ago when I had like a lot going on in my life and whatever, this is gross, but I was a nail biter, okay? I'm just gonna say it. Nail biting is so bad because one, your hands are in your mouth, you're getting sick. Two, you're ruining your nails, and just a million other reasons. But anyway, Mavala is, my aunt bought this for me like 7 years ago so that I would stop nail biting, and I did. So if you're a nail biter or you just want to keep your hands away from your face, they have a nail polish that tastes disgusting. It tastes like poison. Like you will literally not, like you will not want to put your hands in your mouth. So first thing was this Mavala, of course. We picked up some of their nail strengthener. They're a good brand. I trust them wholeheartedly. Then I got my best friend the Caudalie. I have this, it's my favorite makeup remover. It's the Vino Clean. Love this Vino Clean. It's literally like, it makes my skin so hydrated but still clean, and I just really like it. I haven't used a makeup remover quite like this. And also the large size is, I haven't seen it in the US. I'm sure it's available, but I haven't seen it at like Sephora. So I got her this. I think she will really like it. Okay. Then I got a glove to exfoliate my fake tan. Not exciting. I got this moisturizer from Orlan, and I needed a good body lotion because my skin has been just like acting out and acting like literally on its worst behavior this trip. I'm like, you need to get it together. This is what I got to just hydrate my skin, and the hotel body lotions are not doing it for me, even though they have nice like lotions and body washes and good stuff. I don't mean to sound ungrateful, but they just haven't been working for me. So I picked this one up and I'm excited. I got this L'Oreal hairspray because I have like flyaways, and you want to know like what my hack is that I can't live without, and I don't know where my brush is, but I'll literally like spray a brush with hairspray and then brush the tops of my hair down a little bit so that I don't have flyaways, especially it's super windy in Paris. This is just like a random little L'Oreal one. I just needed a mini one, nothing crazy. Okay, we went a little crazy with SkinCeuticals. So my mom got another CE Ferulic, and I just put her onto this. You guys know I love CE Ferulic, and she loves it. And within just, I'm not even kidding you, it's been like 5 days that she's using it. Her skin looks insane. So this stuff, SkinCeuticals is a brand that is definitely like, you see results 100%, and not sponsored, but we got this from the pharmacy. She needed a larger one. Like she has one right now that's smaller, and it was mine, so it's like halfway full, so I just told her to restock. I got this for myself. I have not tried it before. I don't know if this is focusing, but the lady was saying that this is really good. It's the Silymarin CF. Apparently it would be really good for my skin, she said, so I just picked this up. And then I also got an antioxidant lip repair because I am all about lip care. And recently I feel like, you guys, a lot of people say that I have lip filler or think that I have lip filler, and it's just taking care of my lips. Like hydration, scrubbing, these are things that actually make your lips appear more plump, I swear. So got another lip product because a few days ago I also got a lip product, or like a week ago, that I really liked, so I picked up this SkinCeuticals lip treatment as well. Okay, then for my best friend, we got her, I was like explaining her skin to the people who worked at the pharmacy, and they all said that she should get, one of this is the poreless skin cream, and then another one is this serum Both of these are supposed to help with clear skin, healthy skin, and I just picked these two up for her. I'm really excited to give it to her. This has salicylic acid in it, and then this one is just a serum, spotless serum, so gets rid of like any blemishes or whatever. Then I got the Caudalie. This is a, it's like a face spray. One of my lovely subscribers recommended this to me. She's really sweet, and she told me that I should give this a try, so I got it to try it. I got a little one because I've never tried it before. I figured I would get a small one, and that product is all over the French pharmacy, so I can always restock. Okay, my mom and I went a little crazy. Well, it was mostly my mom. She got 4 of these. One is for me, but it's this Vichy. This is like a little eye serum that they have. And my mom has discoloration under her eyes, and then I just have like really dark under eyes. So we just picked these up to try because we need help in that department. I know I have like glam on right now, so you can't really tell, but I tried this cleanser actually prior to flying here, a few weeks before my trip. Tried this cleanser, fell in love with it. It's the SkinCeuticals Replenishing Cleanser Cream. I tried this and I was like, my skin feels so clean. I'm literally obsessed with it. So picked this up because I figured, why not? I love the feeling of super clean skin. Like nothing feels better to me. And then my mom got these 2 Vichy moisturizers, and these are also dark spot because she struggles with discoloration. So she picked up these 2 Vichy, and obviously Vichy is a French brand. So she picked up these 2 from the pharmacy as well. And then I picked up some, this is a nail polish from Mavala, and it's a very pretty color, and I saw it, and it's in the shade Rose Shell, in case anyone's wondering. But it was pretty. I was like, oh, that's a pretty like nude color. Like it looks like it's gonna be nice, and I gravitate towards colors like that. I think they're so chic. Scissors, like literally just brow cutting scissors, because my brows grow quickly, which is a blessing, not complaining. But okay, I went to Sisley. My skin recently, like every moisturizer I use, my skin breaks out. Like it just doesn't like moisturizer, but then my skin is like peeling and dry. So this one from Sisley, actually I'm wearing it right now under my makeup, and my makeup is laying so nicely on top, and I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's laying really nicely on top of it. Literally just used, because she gave me a sample first, and then I was thinking about it and I was like, let me just go back and buy it. So this is their, it's a moisturizer with cucumber, basically, that they were saying it's a magic cream, and I literally was like, I'm gonna just splurge because I really wanted to give this a try, and it was just something that I felt like I truly needed. Just wanted to do a little French pharmacy haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm wearing this blue dress to the museum. This is like all I have steamed. Everything else is not ready to wear. I do feel like this is just like a cute outfit. And it's very sunny outside in Paris. Like you can see, it's a very clear day today. We're going to the Louvre. Very excited. Someone behind me is very loud, but it's okay. We're going to the Louvre and I can't wait. He's a cutie. a cute little cafe. Honestly, I'm really tired. I haven't eaten all day long. We went to the Louvre. It was literally breathtaking and beautiful. Mona Lisa though was beautiful, but like the most chaotic exhibit. Like actually I think I had a almost panic attack right then and there. Like people are literally pushing and shoving each other out of the way, trying to get a photo of them, like take a selfie with the Mona Lisa, which I get it, but like I was like, Mom, I'm about to have a panic attack. And like my social battery sometimes it gets drained quick. So anyway, we're sitting right now. I feel like I am on weird vlog settings, so I apologize. I'll change them right now, but we're at a cute, really cute cafe. Okay, so this is a carrot hummus and some bread. We just are getting like light things to eat, but does this not look amazing? Like that looks so good.